Welcome back, everybody, to another riveting episode of Minnesota Fishing. Oh!
We got him!
Yeah, we got him! So, you know, if you're going to make a fishing video, and leave it to me, I've got almost 100 subscribers on YouTube, so when it comes to successful fishing videos, I'm your guy. You want to make sure you get all those keywords and catchphrases in there, such as digging hard, it's a toad,
Just ripping lips.
it's a tank, it's a monster.
Oh, getting some good head shakes. He must have saw the light of day.
Oh, he horked it.
This one's got shoulders, just digging down. Inhaled that bait. I mean, absolutely inhaled.
You know, wardrobe is everything. Look good, you feel good. You feel good, you fish good.
It's a mindset.
Make sure when you get a nice fish, such as this one, you get them real close to the camera, but keep your head back so it looks bigger. And if you can, make sure, hide those fingers in the gill, get those other back fingers behind there. There, look at that.
Is that a 30? There we go. That one's about 30, I'd say 31. It's hard to probably get it in the camera.
And that's another key. Never actually measure your fish. You just gotta say how big it is. I mean, look at that. That's a 26, 27 incher. Let's put it on the bump board. What do we got here? Oh yeah, 21. When you're letting these fish go, it's real nice. You gotta hold on to the tail. And not until they're ready to go. Then you get that good release shot. Oh, he's getting ready. Oh, there he goes, yeah! Remember, every video needs a good opening, so don't be afraid to ask your viewers, how you doing? Hey, what's up? What's going on? All great things to open your video with. And if you can, make sure you get a little bit of yourself walking across an empty parking lot, because I know that really reels them in. And let's face it, this is a fishing video, so reeling them in is what we're going for. Remember, it's always good to get a little video of yourself walking through the parking lot before you actually go fishing, just to, you know, set the stage and, you know, introduce everyone up to what you're doing, because, you know, nothing better than this to introduce a little fishing video. That way people know what's going on. Couldn't possibly explain things while you're reeling a fish in or driving a boat, but, you know, parking lots are nice too. Don't hesitate to forget a good music montage. Nothing like boat trailers getting backed into the water, you know, a good wake getting thrown by a boat, maybe some wind, maybe some waves. Can't hurt at all.
What we're wearing today, we've got fishing apparel, quality fishing gear. You know, you have quality fishing pole, equipment, reels, rods, but what about the gear you're wearing? And that's something you need to put serious consideration into.
And like I've always said, when you look good, you feel good. When you feel good, you fish good.
Couldn't have said any better myself.
You know, when you're making these videos, you can't be afraid to let the viewers know what you're using for success. You know, on this particular day, those gasoline dip Pablo Whoppers, boy, they are just dynamite. Let me tell you what, just horking up these fatties one after another.
Absolutely inhaled that bait. We're using the Kraut Gas Rigger 2000.
The old wobble popper dipped in gasoline strikes again.
Got this one on the gasoline soaked wobbler popper. Absolutely inhale these baits.
Ooh, yeah. What do you got? Ooh, shoulders on this fish. It's unreal. Got a nice one? Just an absolute tankzilla. Got yourself a tank there, do ya? Oh, of course. You gonna need the net, buddy? Here. Just a hog. Yes. That a big one? Don't ever be afraid to get too excited over another little fish. Oh yeah. Got this fish right in the corner of the mouth. Just hook come out nice and easy. Look at that. And again, we went over this before. tell people how big the fish is. Don't measure it in front of them. I mean, that's clearly a 27, 28-inch walleye, you know? Hide your fingers behind it as much as you can. Hold that baby out and let the camera see every part of the fish. Oh, yes.
Absolute football today. Look at that thing. I could almost probably fit my whole fist in its mouth. I mean, look at that.
Remember, when you're catching fish, things are dramatic. And so you always need to add in a little dramatic music. Don't be afraid to throw it in there, make it loud, make it fast. Maybe so loud that people can't even hear what you're saying, because let's be honest, what you have to say about what you're doing really isn't that important. I mean, look at just another monster. Just a tank. Remember, let the tank see the fish. Don't ever measure. So now that you've got all the tricks in the book to make yourself a good, high-quality video, don't be afraid to throw whatever you got out there. Remember, there's no such thing as bad publicity. And more is more. Woohoo! Oh, they're nice. Another tank. You know, and it doesn't hurt to catch a few fish too. All right, buddy. Till next time. Remember, smash that subscription button. No, really, do it. The hell, help me out here a little.
Don't forget to pound that like button, eh?
If you like what you saw today, don't forget to hit that like button and leave us a comment in the section below, and we'll link it all together. Don't worry about that. Hey, thanks for watching. And like we said, hit that sub button, Big Shoots. Remember, smash that like button. Subscribe.
Subscribe, like today. Tell your friends. We'll
Tweet it, tag it, whatever.
tweet it, Insta,
Snap it.
Faceplace. Is MySpace still a thing?
I don't know.
A new this year out for 2020 actually hasn't been released to the public. They're just nice enough to let us use it. Give it a test run, let them know what we think. They make the necessary adjustments for the general public. So if you guys see anything you'd like to add onto this boat vessel today, let us know and we'll recommend that to Ranger Incorporated.
We're in a Crestliner.
It's